To choose the location of a camera, set up the position on the 2D view in order to click on the camera icon and thus be able to move it according to your desires. Once positioned, click on the 3D view button to visualize the view of your camera. On 3D walk view, you can also move on the scene and move your eyes. The rule of thirds is a common compositional technique used in architectural renderings. That divides your frame into an even 3x3 grid with 2 horizontal lines and 2 vertical lines that intersect at 4 points. To use it in a simple manner, place your subject on the left or right third of the frame, creating a pleasing composition. Each point of intersection is a potential point of interest. Align your main subject along these points to create a balanced, or visually interesting, image. Field of view represents the degree of the viewing angle. For an exterior view, we recommend a measurement of 120 degrees, which represents the wide angle of a phone camera. But you can easily increase these values for interior views to create a better perception of space and highlight your interior. The recommended height is between 150 and 180, which is the eye level. You can still go outside these measurements to create more dramatic scenes. To save the viewpoint, give your camera a name and confirm it by clicking the plus button. Your viewpoints will be listed in the Properties panel.